With a legacy of more than 45 years, one institution has been on a mission to transform lives of countless of students under its wings. Narayana Education Institutions. The institution is revolutionizing the educational landscape with its advanced teaching techniques that set it apart.
A legacy spanning over 45 years, Narayana Educational Institutions has transformed the lives of countless students across India, empowering them to achieve their dreams.
When my father, the visionary, Dr. Pungur Narayana, embarked on this journey 45 years ago, it began with just 7 students in Nellore. Driven by his profound passion for mathematics, his mission was clear: to equip students with the tools they needed to excel in the competitive world and reach their full potential.
Narayana now boasts a network of over 800 schools, colleges, coaching centres and professional institutions across 230 cities in 23 states. The institution stands apart from other educational organizations with its integrated curriculum. The institution emphasizes on age-appropriate curriculums through well-structured programs like...
At Narayana Education Institutions, we have always embraced technology as a vital tool for enhancing the education experience. One of our significant achievements is the introduction of N-Learn and N-Connect, 2 platforms that underscore our commitment to integrating technology into education.
Narayana Educational Institutions enable their students to reach their full potential.
Our N-Sports initiative plays a key role in this, promoting physical fitness and a healthy lifestyle through various sports activities. We also prioritize our students' mental health through the Disha program, where our in-house trained and qualified psychologists offer counseling and support to address emotional needs, ensuring that they thrive not just academically but emotionally as well.
Narayana's dedication to educational excellence has resulted in remarkable growth.
Beyond academics, our students shine in co-curricular and extracurricular arenas as well, like sports for example, where Narayanites are excelling at national level triple jump as well as international events like karate, sister ball, etc. These achievements exemplify our dedication to nurturing talent in every domain.
Narayana's mission remains clear: to expand their reach, making education accessible and dreams achievable. Because at Narayana, your dreams are our dreams.